Searching for the definition of autonomous maintenance on Google, there are hundreds of definitions that consider autonomous maintenance to be the process of transferring lubrication, inspection, cleaning, and other minor tasks to factory workers. These definitions were surely valid in the early years, when TPM was born in the Japanese company Nippon Denso. However, in current times, due to the great changes that society has undergone, especially in the last 20 years, it is necessary to interpret the concept of autonomous maintenance in a completely different way. In this video, I propose a fresh definition of autonomous maintenance that shows the full potential of this TPM pillar. To build a new definition of autonomous maintenance, it is necessary to understand how it is developed in a company and the effect of its methodologies, both in improving the effectiveness of equipment and in transforming the work systems used in a factory. A useful guide for studying autonomous maintenance processes is the 7-step path suggested by the Japan Institute of Plant Maintenance for its implementation. Each step has a purpose, has a methodology, and has a concrete effect on people and on improving machinery performance. This chart presents the 7 steps of autonomous maintenance, suggested by the JIPM, structured in 4 phases. Phase 1 of autonomous maintenance consists of steps 1, 2, and 3. This phase has the technical objective of stabilizing the equipment, that is, to eliminate all kinds of anomalies and hidden defects in the machinery, making the equipment behave stably over time. From the human point of view, Phase 1 has the purpose of developing new communication skills, teamwork, increasing employee commitment to the company's goals, increasing operational discipline, as well as developing new behaviors that help to prevent problems in the work area at an early stage. Phase 2 of autonomous maintenance consists of steps 4 and 5. This phase has the technical purpose of increasing the operator's ability to inspect the equipment and perform simple maintenance tasks. For this purpose, they receive training on a variety of topics such as basic mechanics, hydraulics, pneumatics, basic electricity, principles of workshop work, tool handling, etc. From a human point of view, the operators continue to grow as members of small work teams, improve their management skills, develop production and inspection standards, and strengthen their problem-solving and analysis skills. In this phase, operators achieve the technical mastery necessary to manage the work center, line, or workshop. Phase 3 consists of autonomous maintenance step 6, and Phase 4 of step 7. The technical objectives of these 2 phases are to perfect inspection and management routines, including activities related to product quality control. From the human point of view, in these 2 phases, operators continue their training and practice to reach an advanced level of autonomous and responsible management. From a management system point of view, the 7 steps facilitate the transformation of the way teams are managed and led, from an initial command and control system to a commitment-focused management system. This advanced level of management is also a source of extraordinary results. With this background, we are now able to better understand what autonomous maintenance is. As we have noted, during all 4 phases, a common job is performed, managing the work of a production facility. In Phase 1, the focus is on eliminating chronic equipment problems. In Phase 2, the work is about sustaining the achievements. In the 3rd and 4th phases, the scope of management is expanded to cover all dimensions of TPM, such as safety, quality, maintenance, processes, environmental aspects and personal development. The first conclusion I identify is that autonomous maintenance is a management process. This management process transfers the power of execution to the operators, who freely assume the commitment to perform it and to take care of the goals expected of them. The second conclusion is that autonomous maintenance goes beyond performing maintenance tasks. During the implementation of the steps, people receive the necessary training so that they can manage and control all dimensions of TPM in real time. Finally, I summarize in the following terms the definition of TPM that I usually use in my work in companies. Autonomous maintenance is a way of managing a work center, which is carried out by the operators of a factory, in an autonomous and responsible way. These operators are able to identify and correct any deviation from the normal conditions of the processes, equipment and peripheral work areas they are in charge of, giving them the power to do so.